What was the most difficult part of learning a new language for you? Let me tell you what was the most difficult state I faced when I wanted to learn English. It was a new environment. There was more than 20 students and there was more than 20 faces looking at me. I didn't even know a word in English, and the teacher was speaking a really beautiful and fluent English there in front of the class. I feel really bad, but taking a look at my partner's faces, I realized that they were in the same situation I was. We felt afraid, we felt ashamed, and we were losing motivation because we thought we were never going to speak like that teacher that was there in front of the class. But Carl Jung said that motivation is the process of awakening an action, sustaining that action in progress, and determining some patterns of this activity. Here is when we have the key of this research project, that we have three important points: classroom environment, motivation, and also interaction in the classroom.
The question is how students can be motivated through interactive speaking games. Easy. With the variety of resources that we have today, students will forget about those boring traditional classes. Our proposal brings to all of you different interactive games that will make the class an environment in which students feel with the availability to give the best of themselves, a better attitude to carry out and successfully teaching learning process. We want to eradicate the lack of interest of the students when they are speaking and interacting with other people, with dynamics and games that involve an active participation of the students, but also the teacher, so that they are learning as they are feeling more confident when they are expressing their ideas in a second language.
Okay, so my partners have talked about some important aspects to get to know in order to continue. Once we have the interactive games and the use in the classroom to make the student know that it is a safe place to learn. And also we have the motivation aspects that can just, as the same word says, motivate the students to keep the learning process successfully. Once we have all these ingredients together, we can make a recipe of successfulness in the classroom for all the students. No matter if they face a difficult lesson, no matter if they face an evaluation. If they are concerned about all these items and they are able to give their 100% using those strategies, they will be able to do everything and to make it clear and positive for their learning process.